Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. This box is huge. Saviland sent it to me. Thank you so much for sending this over, Saviland. It's an acrylic kit with everything. Bigger than the one that we had last time. And this one comes with a lamp, but like this box is massive, if you can see. So we're gonna open her up. I wish I could show you more of the box, but I just can't. So when you open it, we've got this bubble wrap to get rid of. We've got these instructions. And they're very thick. I imagine there's a lot of things to instruct because there's a lot of things in this box, but let's move those. So let's see what we have here. So this is like a whole packet of stuff. I see files, buffers, toe separators, brushes, cuticle oils, decorations, glues, practice fingers, nail tips, forms. We're gonna have to open this up. What else do we have? We have 3 acrylic brushes, a size 12, a size 10, and a size 6. What's this? Nail polish set. What colors are in here? We've got 5. Foundation gel. Okay, so base coat, top coat, white, pink. I bet this last one says nude. Nude. Yep, okay. So basics. What else? What's this? It's fallen out. Okay. A non-acid pH bond. So that's a primer. What have we here? Acrylic powders. Let's open them. Alright, so we've got 3. We've got a pink, a white, and a clear. Of course, that makes the most sense. And we have acrylic liquid. That is code for monomer. Alright, so this is a 4-ounce bottle here. It's just a little bottle. It is also wrapped in plastic. It's full. It is ENail monomer. So we'll definitely be testing that out with our powders. Alright, how we're going to get these things out, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to turn the box over. Goodness gracious, I had to work hard to get those out. Alright, so we've got this drill. I've actually tried one out like this from the previous kit. And I have one like this also in my giveaway pile. So I'm going to add this one to it. Everybody getting drills soon. And then we have a lamp as well. Let's open it and have a look at it. Okay, so here is the lamp. It is one of these sun UVs. They're very popular. It's got 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds for low heat. It does have a digital screen. Here's the inside. It has a plastic bottom. I prefer lamps with the reflective mirror bottom, but this will do, especially for a beginner or home user. It does have quite a few LEDs in there, so that's great. And you're gonna need this since it comes with gel polish. I may put this in the giveaway as well because I do have a lamp already. Let's look at what's in here. So much stuff. Okay, so we've got some nail tips for practicing on here. I mean, I guess you could use them on your hand. There's just not very many. Another one of these Dappen dishes. I've got quite a collection going. We've got a couple of practice fingers. I imagine you can probably put one of these on here. Probably not the giant ones. Get a dust brush for your nails. I use these all the time for cleaning my nails. Nail glue. Always a staple. You get your buffer and your file and a shiner. Oh, here's some nail decorations. It looks like we've got stars, flowers, pearls, hearts, rhinestones, bubbles, some caviar beads, a couple of large rhinestone charms, some hearts, some shell pieces, a nice little assortment. We've got toe separators. We've got cuticle oil. I think this is striping tape. They've given us some striping tape. How nice. Now let's get this out of here so we can have a look. So I don't know if you can tell. Let me zoom in. But yeah, they're colors. So yes, that is good. You can use these for decoration as well. We have some UV gel removal pads and some more. And then we got some stickers here. They're like little gold embellishments of some kind. And then nail forms, of course. And then we have a pack of glitters. In fact, I think this might be similar to the one that I got before. And so because I do have these, I'll probably give them away. And then there are some fine glitters as well, great for sugaring. As well as pigment powders, which are very popular for nail art. I have all of these things, probably going to give them away as well. Ah, and here's a box of nail tips that are half cover. So they've got a few full covers and then this box of half covers. These are definitely for using on your actual finger. We have some tools here. It looks like we've got a dust brush, we've got a dotting tool, some nail clippers, a wax pencil, a cuticle fork, a cuticle pusher, and we have a packet of nail art brushes. I actually have, I think, these very brushes, and I've used a bunch of them for different things. This one is really, really great for small details. I use the crap out of it. And then there's long dotting tools, there's striping brushes, fan brushes, angle brushes, a nice assortment. So that's all for this plastic bag. So we truly do have a ton of crap. All right. So we've got all these. We've got our powders, our liquid, our primer, our 3 acrylic brushes, a pack of gel polishes, a drill, and a lamp. This is a complete kit if I ever saw one. If you are a beginner and have nothing to do acrylic with, get this. It's got everything you need. It will be linked below. If you are not a beginner, but you do just need some supplies, this is also a great option because it comes with everything. So you don't have to buy a bunch of individual items. Also, could be a pretty cool gift for someone who wants to start learning acrylic. Use the practice fingers if you're learning. Practice on the practice fingers. Don't practice on your own finger. You'll destroy your nails. But once you get better at it, you can. I am going to use this kit on my hand. The last one, we did not. We did it on the practice fingers, and I've been doing a lot of practicing since then. So now we're going to upgrade, and we're going to do acrylic nails right here. After I take these off, of course. I'm going to break this into 2 parts. This video is already enough with all this unboxing. So I'm going to make a second video with the actual nail doing, because that's probably going to be even longer. It won't be far behind this one though. So definitely do keep an eye out for that video. And then we'll do our little wrap up here. You know the spiel. Likes, comments, all of the interactions. Be subscribed. Check my links. All the good stuff. You guys know the drill. If you think you're subscribed, go ahead and check, because you might not be. Happens all the time. Happens to me. Make sure that you are, in fact, subscribed. Follow my socials. I post things over there that don't make it over here. Let me know if you've used the Saviland acrylics or if you've used their new Pro Acrylic line. I definitely do like that one. And let me know if you have not done acrylic but you want to get into it, and if this looks like a kit that would be useful for you. Again, links in the description for this if you want to get it. And a lot of this stuff is going to go in a giveaway. I've got quite a few things building up, but I want to do multiple giveaways because there are some multiple items and there's enough to go around. We'll share the wealth. So keep your eye out for that. I know there's another giveaway floating around. I don't know if it's happened yet or not based on when this is posted, but keep your eye out so that you can enter that giveaway when it comes. That's it though. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.